How do managed fraud services prevent credit card fraud? Have you ever wondered how banks and credit unions keep your credit card information safe from fraudsters? Managed fraud services are key players in this process. They provide essential tools and strategies to help financial institutions detect and stop fraudulent activities before they can cause harm. Let's break down how these services work to protect you and your money. First off, data analysis is a big part of managed fraud services. They look at transaction data to spot patterns and anomalies that could signal fraud. By examining historical data, they can predict potential future fraud events. This means they can catch suspicious activities early on. Next, advanced predictive models come into play. These models analyze transaction behavior and customer history to forecast potential fraud. This proactive approach helps in identifying fraud before it happens, which is a huge benefit for both banks and customers. Another important feature is customizable rules. Financial institutions can set specific rules tailored to their policies and customer behaviors. This customization helps reduce false positives, meaning fewer legitimate transactions are flagged as suspicious. It maximizes the chances of catching actual fraud. Managed fraud services also use outlier detection. This means they have dynamic models that adjust in real time to identify unusual transaction patterns. As new fraud schemes emerge, these services can adapt quickly to recognize them. Global profiling is another advanced feature. By monitoring fraud trends worldwide, managed fraud services can spot emerging patterns and alert financial institutions to potential threats. This global perspective helps stay ahead of fraud tactics. For cardholders, mobile card controls are a fantastic tool. Many services allow customers to set restrictions on how and where their cards can be used. This gives you more control over your card and helps prevent unauthorized transactions. Real-time alerts are a game changer. When suspicious activity is detected, both financial institutions and cardholders receive immediate notifications. This allows for quick action to prevent further unauthorized transactions. Collaboration with experienced fraud analysts is also crucial. These analysts work closely with financial institutions to interpret data and update fraud detection algorithms. This teamwork ensures that fraud detection systems stay effective against evolving tactics. Managed fraud services integrate seamlessly with existing payment systems. This means that fraud prevention is built into the transaction process from the start, making it harder for fraudsters to succeed. The benefits for banks and credit unions are significant. By effectively preventing credit card fraud, they can reduce financial losses from unauthorized transactions. This not only protects their bottom line but also enhances customer trust. When customers know their financial institutions are taking strong measures against fraud, they feel more secure using their credit cards. Lastly, these services help financial institutions meet regulatory requirements. They provide tools for fraud reporting and compliance management, ensuring that banks and credit unions stay on the right side of the law. In summary, managed fraud services play a vital role in preventing credit card fraud. By combining data analysis, predictive models, customizable rules, and real-time monitoring, they protect both financial institutions and customers. This leads to reduced losses, enhanced customer trust, and compliance with regulations, making the financial world a safer place for everyone.